Hello there and welcome back. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. It is an absolutely gorgeous day out here in Minnesota. I have to wear my sunglasses as I'm sitting out in the parking lot and it is super bright. If I don't have them on, I would be like squinting and like crying because it's so bright out here. Not a cloud in the sky, but I am waiting for one of my kiddos to get done with an appointment. And then I am going to the thrift store. I cannot wait. It has been a couple weeks since I've been thrifting, so of course I'm itching to get out there and find some fun things. So I'm going to be taking you guys along with me. I am planning to go to Goodwill first and then go to my favorite thrift store called Unique, and hopefully I have some good luck. And I hope that you will stick around to the very end because I'll be sharing with you what I find today. So hopefully, crossing my fingers, I have some good luck today. Let's get thrifting. home now, and this is my haul for today. So from Goodwill, which is the first store I went to, I picked up two things. I picked up this ghost figurine. It was $2.99. Isn't it adorable? I think it'll be so cute for Halloween. I have a few other ghost figures that are porcelain already, so I think this will go nicely with what I already have. I thought it was pretty cute. And then I also picked up this gorgeous painting, which was $2.99, I think. Yep, there we go. $2.99. And of course I saw it, and it's not in great condition. It's a little, looks like it got dented a little bit. But I just love it. I think it is so cool. I love that it's an oval shape. So of course I had to pick that up. That's such a good price at $2.99. And I think it's really pretty. So the next store I went to was Unique, and I picked up the rest of the things. The first thing was a book. This was $2.49. I just picked this one up because it had a nice neutral cover with the white and the navy. It's got a cute little locket on the front. And then of course I did like the binding as well. I think it's really pretty. This is from 1946. And then you guys, I found some dishes. Does this look a little familiar? The bowl, I believe, was $3.99. This one actually is marked. Can you read that? I don't have my glasses on right now, so I can't read it for you. But if you remember, I have a few other things with like a rose motif on it. One is like a teapot. I think I have a little platter. And I don't know if this is matching motif or, you know, like the same pattern or not, but it's very similar. So I had to pick it up, and I think it's gorgeous. And then they had a platter that matches. So of course I had to pick it up. This one is $3.99 as well. It is unmarked on the back, but as you can see, it is the same pattern. And I just love it. Isn't that just gorgeous? I think it is so pretty. I'm totally into the pink roses lately. I don't know why, but I'm loving it so much. So I'm excited to add those to my pink rose collection. And then I found this little piece of artwork. It was on the shelf, and it was completely all apart. It's basically just a print put in here, but I loved, it's gonna get a little bit of a, it's like a mountain scene with a little waterfall, a little stream, and some trees, and it's got a very, what do you call it, vintage look to it. Let me see if I can take it out of here. When I found it on the shelf, it was all apart like this, like somebody had taken it apart to look inside to see if it was actually a painting, but it's just like a piece of paper. But look at that. Isn't that cool? I just love it. I think it is so gorgeous. It reminds me of another mountain scene that I found at an antique store. So I just couldn't pass it up. It does have a little rip on the side. That's all right. But you can see that somebody has cut it out because it's got the little name down in the corner here. Can you see that? They kept that. And I just folded it over. So anyways, I'll put it back in the frame. I think it is so pretty. I'm going to find a spot for that. And I'm loving that for sure. And then the final thing I found was this adorable basket. I fell in love with it right away. I love the top. It's got like a little lid on it. And the inside's in really good condition. And I know there's a name for this type of basket, but I just don't know what it is called. But I've actually bought it because I thought it would look really cute sitting in the corner of my kitchen on the counter with some little things on top of it. I think that would be really adorable. And of course I can add some stuff in here for storage. I don't know. I just thought it was really cool, and I fell in love with it. And it was only $4.99. Alright, so that is what I picked up today when I was thrifting. Hope you guys enjoyed thrifting with me. I would love to know what you think down in the comments, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye now.